Okay, so today we're going to installing macOS in a Docker container. The first step is to follow the instructions. So we're going to copy this and then now Docker compose.yml in the directory where we're going to install it. Select everything, leave it however you want. Now we do docker compose. Okay, there you go. It's now pulling that VM. As you can see, no longer there's that error. It says 5 seconds. I don't know why it's not playing it. Okay, and there you go. Connecting to VLC. Okay, we're done with that startup. This is why I recommend Sequoia at max, because Tahoe takes a lot of time to boot. Okay, so the first step is disk utility. Continue. We're going to select the one that has the bigger size, so this one in my case 68,72 gigs. Erase. Let's call it Mac OS on Linux Mac, because this is a Mac. Supposedly you should only do this in a Mac, though I don't own a Mac, so let's keep it like this. And it should be done in a moment. There you go. Now we close it. Click reinstall macOS Sequoia. Click continue. Okay, as you can see, for use on Apple branded system. So if you don't have an Apple branded system, you can expect bugs and everything like that. It is not legal to do that. In my country it is, because the EULA is not applying here. And make sure you read this. It's really important you read this, but I will not read it. And yeah, I surely agree. Let's install it, and now we wait. Okay, I'm going to pause the recording. See you in a while. Then we have this. We're in setup, and as you can see, it performs pretty badly. Okay.